In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between multiple accounts in Yahoo Mail. To begin, open your web browser and head to yahoo.com. If you're not already signed in, choose Sign In and enter the credentials for the account you're currently using. You can start from the Yahoo homepage or directly from Yahoo Mail. The process is the same. Once you're in, you'll know you're ready when you see the homepage or your inbox. Now look to the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile image or an initial inside a small circle. That's your account menu. Click it to open a drop-down. This menu is where you can manage which account you're viewing at any moment, and it's the hub for switching. In that menu, click Add or Switch Accounts. This opens a small panel that lists accounts you've already used in this browser. It's designed to let you move between them quickly without signing out entirely. If you use multiple Yahoo Mail addresses for personal work or projects, this is the most efficient way to keep everything accessible. From the panel, select the account you want to switch to. If you see it listed, a single click is all it takes to start the switch. If you don't see it yet, choose the option to add an account and sign in once. After that, it will appear here for easy access. When prompted, enter the password for the account you selected. Depending on your security settings, you might also be asked to complete a verification step, such as a code sent to a trusted device. This is normal and helps protect your information. If you're on a private computer, you can choose to stay signed in. On a shared device, skip that option for safety. Click Next to confirm. Yahoo will finalize the sign-in and load the inbox for the account you chose. You're now switched. To move back or hop to another profile, just return to the profile icon and repeat the same steps. Open the account menu, choose Add or Switch Accounts, and select the address you want. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If an account isn't appearing, it likely hasn't been added in this browser yet. Add it once, and it will show up going forward. If you ever get redirected unexpectedly, refresh the page or open mail, yahoo.com directly. And if you're using a shared or public computer, always sign out when you're done to keep your accounts secure. That's all there is to it. You now know how to switch between multiple accounts in Yahoo Mail quickly and confidently.